going to be teaching how to make mango ice cream.
So what are we going to use for the mango ice cream?
We are going to use our So we will be using our mango, and we'll be using our dry whipping cream, and we'll also be using sugar.
Okay,
and milk.
That's wonderful. So let's get started. Oh, milk. Before. Oh my God. So we have our dry whipping cream. This is 80 grams. We have 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, yes. We have our milk. Okay,
and we also have our mango.
We have our major ingredient, which is our mango. You can decide to buy frozen mango, but this is just a fresh mango. So I peeled. I bought it fresh, peeled, cut in cubes, and put in the freezer. So the best way is just to blend it when it still have block, when it is frozen. Okay, so now let's start blending. So we are going to pour
our milk in.
Okay, so I'm going to use the remaining milk to blend the mango. So let's whip the cream. Okay, Kamsi, can you do that? We are going to add our sugar.
Adding our sugar.
Then we blend.
Blend again.
Oh, we whip. You may decide to mix the sugar with the milk. Okay, it's still okay. So you may decide to adjust on the quantity of sugar you are using. Okay, you may add or you may wish to reduce. This is the quantity I want to use. So I think this is ready. Let's check. Oh, so creamy. Let's just. So this is our cubes. It's in the blender now. So we are going to pour in the remaining of our milk. This is 300. We use the 300 mils of milk. So we're going to blend this. So our first is our mango is ready. See how smooth and creamy it is. So we are going to mix it with the whipping cream. Then our ice cream is ready. So So this is our cream now. I've transferred it in a bigger bowl. So we are going to add our mango paste, then blend. We are going to mix it together. Sorry for the noise. How creamy, nice. So attractive. So beautiful. Okay, at this point we are going to transfer it in a container. I prefer freezing it for the whole night. So with the whipping cream and the creamy nature of the mango, we don't really need to use icing sugar, okay, or condensed milk. So this is it's thick enough to give you the texture you want. So we are going to transfer it in this container. Okay, we are going to put it in the freezer, and I will be stirring it in 4 hours. So this is the, see how it is. See how it is. So we are going to cover it, and it has to be airtight. Okay, then you put it in the freezer, turn it or stir it after 4 hours, then leave it till the next day. We allowed it in the freezer for the whole night. So this is the next morning. So here it is. So we are going to bring it out. Join us as we test our delicious ice cream. Mind you, you can use, if you are conscious of sugar, you can as well prepare this recipe without sugar. Just the whipping cream and the mango, especially now that some countries are very hot. So ice cream is the best recipe and best thing to eat now. Okay, just to calm your body. Okay guys, here comes our ice cream ready to be munched. So just try as much as possible to give this recipe a trial. You will be glad you did. See, so delicious. The taste is superb. Can you have a taste? Tell us how it tastes.
Yummy, yummy. You want to taste? It's so delicious.